Every single month, I make $20,000 just from Instagram stories. For the first time ever, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step and show you exactly how I get clients every single day from Instagram. It's gonna be a super helpful video. I'm even gonna show you when you need to post on your Instagram stories to get clients, the kind of posts you need to be making on your Instagram stories in order to get clients. Basically, I'm gonna give you my entire funnel that I use to get clients on Instagram. Let's get into it. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I make tons of videos specifically on how to get more followers on Instagram and how to make money from those followers on Instagram. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of the videos that I put out. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna do a walkthrough of the basic funnel. So you know, okay, this is the big picture. And then as we go through the funnel, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be teaching you. So the first thing that this whole thing starts off by you making a post, an Instagram story, essentially. Now, I'm gonna show you the kinds of stories to make, so you don't have to worry about that. In the next section, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So they're gonna send you a direct message. This is step 2. They're gonna ask you questions about what it is you're offering, what it is you're selling. Essentially, you're gonna have a sales call over your direct messages. Then they're going to become a client. If it seems really simple, like, oh my gosh, that's too easy to get clients on Instagram from that, you can't actually do that. Well, we do it every single month, and we teach our students to do it. So it's very, very effective. I'm gonna show you, in this video, I'm gonna show you what to say to the clients, what to do if they don't reply to you, how to follow up with them. I'm gonna give you the whole process. So there's 5 ways you can get clients with Instagram stories, and I'm gonna show you those 5 right now. We're gonna literally do this step by step. So the first way, the first kind of story you can make is the basic talking head DM pitch, okay? So this is what it's gonna look like. Maria here. In case you don't know it right now, I am offering 2 more spots in my Get Clients Now program. If you're interested in making more money and getting more clients, reply back with the word clients and I'll give you all the details. Then what you're gonna do, and this is just type 1, there's 4 other cool ways you can get more clients, but this is the first one. You're gonna basically just put the call to action in text. So I would say, reply with the word clients to get the details. And then I would do another thing, like another little reason for them to message you. So I would say something like, perfect if you're ready for money ASAP. Something like that, where it's like, all right, this is like a good reason for me to reply. And I might make that in green. And then I would just click post, and then a bunch of people would reply to me. They would want to get the information, and then I'd run them through the next set, which I'll show you. So this is the first way I would do that. We get literally tons of clients every single month just from doing this. Second way you can do this, super simple, is the poll pitch. So the first one is a basic talking head DM pitch. The second one is the poll pitch. Really easy. So what I do is I just like take a picture of myself like this, and then I'll just kind of fill it in. So it has a colored background, which you can do, by the way, by like picking a color and then holding down on it. And then you're going to go over here. You're going to add poll, yes, or hell yes. So you want both the answers to be like, yes, I'm totally in. And then it would be like, do you want to get more clients in January, right? So obviously if you are like a health coach, you'd be like, do you want to get abs in January? Just as an example, right? So I'm saying, do you want to get more clients? Because that's what I teach people how to do. I teach people how to get more clients. So what my Get Clients Now program is all about. So then I would just do this, bam, second one, done. Post it, people will vote, and then you message all the people that voted. Third way, pretty easy. It's going to be kind of similar. You can have your face in it or your face not in it. We'll do this one with my face in it. So I'll just be like, take a picture of me. I'm not going to overthink this. I'd probably do a better picture than this if this was actually it, but it's fine. So then you're going to do what's called this number 3, 9 words on a screen pitch. So it's basically like, hey, are you still interested in getting clients? And then I would just say like, reply yes, if so. Something like that. Now, if you want to learn more, and this would literally be it. If you want to learn more about the 9-word concept, what I would encourage you to do is go Google the phrase 9-word email and do a bunch of extracurricular reading on this. Fourth one is the testimonial and pitch. So what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to go find a testimonial from my photos. Then I'm going to go over here to my images and I'm going to add a new image. So you can see here, when she joined my Get Clients Now program, she made $8,000 in literally less than a month. So she says, in 1 month, using what Maria taught me in the Get Clients Now program, I closed my first 5 clients for a total of $8,000. She's on track to do the exact same this month. Super awesome. So then I would say, if you also want to make $8K in a month, message me the word deets to get details. And bam, a bunch of people would see it. They say, oh, I would love to make $8,000 in a month. How does Maria's Get Clients Now program work? And then they would message me and I'd give them more info. Finally, the fifth and final way is to do a Q&A to pitch. This one works really well, but it takes a little bit of time. So what I would do first is I would make a post and it'd basically be a picture of me. And then I would add again, like the picture would probably look a little better, but it's fine. And then I would add the questions and I would say like, ask me any Qs about getting clients. If you're a copywriter, say, ask me any Qs about turning words into clients or making money with copywriting or whatever, right? Ask me Qs about getting clients. Then people ask you questions. And then you would answer the questions, right? So you're going to answer the individual questions that come through and say, by the way, if you want to learn more about getting clients, send me a message with the word clients and I'll give you more info on this. The second thing that a lot of people want to know is, okay, what's the schedule on this? How often should I be making these Instagram story pitches? Should I be doing it every single day? Should I be doing it twice a day, once a month? What's the schedule? So here's what you need to know. Number one, if you're getting 100 to 500 followers per day, you should be pitching once a day because you have 100 to 500 new people coming into your world every single day. So you should be pitching to them. If you're getting 100 to 500 followers per week, you should pitch once a week. If you're getting 100 to 500 new followers per month, you should pitch twice a month. So you need to have a minimum of 2 pitches per month. I would say if you're doing it twice per month, do it once around the 15th, do it once around the 30th. Now, another question that people ask me a lot when they do this is, okay, I replied to everybody who said, yes, I want to get more info. I sent them the link to my program or I gave them more details, but they didn't reply and they didn't buy. How do I follow up with them? So I'm going to show you 3 ways you can follow up with people who didn't buy in a way that feels really good. So it doesn't feel weird or sleazy or spammy. So let's pretend that we dropped the link. So www.link.com. We sent that and she didn't reply. So it's been a day and what do? First thing I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to do a simple word. So I'll just say Rose like that. And usually what happens is Rose is like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I forgot to take a look at this. Let me go look at it. So that's the first way you can ping it. Another way number 2, tip number 2, you can subtly follow up is just heart their last message. So if we've been talking back and forth a little bit, maybe they asked a question and then they didn't reply. What I would do is just heart her last message. That's a subtle little way of showing up back on her radar, just kind of nudging them to reply to you. Third way that I really like, this is one of my favorite ways to do this, is if you've sent the initial like, hey, did you get the link? Like, can I like Rose? Or you hearted the message. The third and final way you can follow up, and it works really well, is just by dropping a little playful GIF. Basically saying like, hello, or knock, knock. Super playful, everyone loves it. So it looks something like this. I would just search for like, hello, like this little guy, be like, hey, checking in. Or I would do knock, knock. So like that might be a good one. So they're very playful little GIFs and nobody ever gets mad when you follow up with something playful to be like, ha ha ha, thanks for following up. I forgot my kid was throwing up or whatever it was, right? And so follow-ups can be simple and playful. Next up, I'm going to share with you 3 mistakes you should avoid. When you're trying to get a bunch of clients with your Instagram stories, what are the mistakes you should avoid? First thing, don't be shy. You need to be confident. Don't be self-deprecating. Offer your offer with pride. You created something amazing. Offer it with pride. Talk about it on your stories with pride. Pitch it with pride. Feel good about yourself. So don't be shy. Don't be self-deprecating. Put yourself out there confidently. Even if you have to like fake it till you make it with your confidence, just imagine you're you 5 years from now and you're super confident and post with that energy. Mistake number 2 to avoid. Don't make this mistake if you're trying to get clients on your Instagram story. Overthinking if people don't reply. So life happens. People get busy. They might not reply to you right away. That's why you need to follow up. So that's why earlier we talked about the follow-up stuff. If people don't reply right away, don't take it personally because it's not personal. They just have a lot going on. You need to be like, hey, like with your knock knock gifts to just say, hey, I'm here. Want to remind you. In my experience, people thank me for following up with them. Third mistake people make is pitching too much or pitching too little. So now you know the schedule. You know that you need to be posting once a day if you have a ton of followers coming in, once a week if you have a medium amount of followers coming in, and twice a month if you have a low amount of followers coming in every month. Super important that you find that balance because some people post either way too much, but most people pitch too little. They don't put themselves out there enough and they're leaving a lot of money on the table. Now, if you're wanting to make even more money from your Instagram, this was just the first step. There's so many really cool ways you can make money on Instagram. And in my experience, a lot of people are leaving money on the table when it comes to not just Instagram, but their whole business. There's a lot of money that you could be making. So my mission for this year, in case you don't know, is to help more female entrepreneurs hit $10,000 every single month. So what I've done is I've opened up a series of free coaching sessions where we take a look at your business and we show you areas where you could be making more money. It's pretty simple. I'm gonna walk you through this little audit thing that I have. It's really fun. So if you wanna come, I'm gonna share real strategies that you can use to get more clients. And my students tell me who come to this workshop, they say, I actually learned more in this free coaching session than in other courses I've paid for. So if you wanna join, it's completely free. Be my guest. I'd absolutely love to see you there. I think we'd have a lot of fun. Just click the link in the description and I'll see you there. If you haven't subscribed already, click subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos on making money and growing your business. Like this video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.